kung tumitingin kayo ng mga ref magnet, dito siya okay siya bilhin kasi mura siya. Nasa 500 tenge lang. So may mga sheep's head, mga iba-ibang parts. Ayan. Okay din pala yung experience dito. Kabahin natin. Bale, ang binayad ko dito, actually isingil niya ako ng 5,000. So ang binagbabayad ko is 4,000. So okay na rin for experience lang. And nagsama kaming bata para ma-experience yung enjoy nito. Same time kami rin, parang kaming sumakay sa sasakyan ni Cinderella. Garit?
Ba't tayo nag-crap? Inubo ka?
Okay. Okay, dito tayo sa bazaar. Welcome to Green Bazaar in Almaty, Kazakhstan. This historic market is a paradise of flavors, colors, and culture. From fresh fruits to local delicacies, let's step inside and explore. Now that we're inside, check this out. Kazakh sweets that looks just like ones in Georgia and Armenia. And look at this. Fresh fruits, juicy apples, fragrant melons, and deep red pomegranates bursting with flavor. The rich aromas and lively atmosphere makes this market an unforgettable experience. Let's take a closer look. Here in the meat section, you'll find something not so common elsewhere. Horse meat, a traditional delicacy in Kazakhstan. It's a staple in many local dishes. Bagay siya. Yan. Parang yan nga yung suot mo. So, ano sila? Mga tiyanggi-tiyanggian talaga dito. Ang sarap maglakad pag winter kasi malamig. So, may mga sheep's head, mga iba-ibang parts. Ayan. May mga rin sa mga juice. Okay. Dami dito. May mga siya kalaki. Nakalabas na ulit tayo. Ayan siya. Okay. So kung tumitingin kayo ng mga ref magnet, Dito siya okay siya bilhin. Kasi mura siya. Nasa 500 tenge lang. Ayan, pati yung almaty. May nabili ka bang almaty mismo?
Pakaba.
Okay. Dito ko sa mga ibon. Look, Hopi, look. Wow. Oh. Where's the squirrel going? What? Oh. Get the squirrel, Hopi, go, go. Whoa. What's that, Hopi? What? Squirrel and a bird? Yeah. Oh, look at this bird. Here it is, Zenkov Cathedral, one of Almaty's most iconic landmarks. Built in 1907, this stunning wooden masterpiece was designed to withstand earthquakes using special interlocking techniques and minimal nails. A true architectural marvel that was stood the test of time. Zenkov Cathedral isn't just a historic landmark. It's an active parish church. Despite its turbulent past, including times when it was used as a museum, it remains a place of worship today, hosting regular services for the local Orthodox community. During the Russian Empire, it miraculously survived Almaty's powerful 1911 earthquake. Over the years, it was used as a museum and even a government office during the Soviet times. But later, it was restored as a place of worship, standing today as a symbol of resilience and faith. Very good. Driving, Hopi. One of the charming attractions in Panfilog Park is riding a horse-drawn carriage. It's a nostalgic experience that makes you feel like royalty from the old days as you glide through the park surrounded by nature and history. Okay, ganyan pala yung park. You like it? You ride the Nene? Huh? Ah. Hopi's riding the Nene. Good job, Hopi. Yes.
Yes. Want to sit there?
Okay.
Okay, anak. Be careful, Hopi.
Wow.
You hold, anak. Then hold on. Oh.
Hold tight, Hopi. Ooh, do you like it? You're riding a horse? Very good. What? Yeah, that's a cathedral. Yes. You like the cathedral? O, tapos na. Hmm? Do you enjoy? Okay din pala yung experience dito. Habahin natin. Bale, ang pinahid ko dito, actually single niya ako ng 5,000. So, ang pinagbabayad ko is 4,000. So, okay na rin for experience lang. And, nagsama kami yung bata para ma-experience siya, ma-enjoy nito. Same time kami rin, para kami sumakay sa sasakyan ni Cinderella. May Cinderella, come here, princess. Hold. Okay, go down. Okay. Jump. Whoa! Panpilov Park is named after the 28th Panpilov Guardsmen, a group of Soviet soldiers from a division formed in Kazakhstan. These brave men made their heroic stand near Moscow in 1941, resisting the advancing Nazi forces despite being vastly outnumbered. Their sacrifice became a symbol of courage and patriotism, and today, their memories lives on through the monuments and memorials spread throughout this park, reminding visitors of Kazakhstan deep historical ties to World War II. The monument's powerful imagery with soldiers charging forward symbolizes bravery and sacrifice, making it one of the most important war memorials in Kazakhstan. It's a must pala talaga na pumunta dito sa park na to. Ganda. Walking through Panpilov Park is deeply moving and peaceful. The lush greenery, quiet pathways, and towering trees create a calming atmosphere. It's a place to reflect, soak in history, and feel the connection between nature, courage, and memory. Kamusta yung park?
Ganda.
Ano
Laki niya.
Laki yan, nagustuhan mo.
Si Hawk doon.
Parang Hawk kasi, laki ng katawan. Okay, so papunta tayo Dostik Plaza. Okay? Okay, nakasakay na tayo. Yan yung port. Sa Nag-Yandex Go ulit tayo. Coffee City. What are you eating? Orange? Is it yummy?
Mommy.
Oh.
Yeah, for mommy.
Oh. Can you eat? Can you try to eat? Okay.
One by one, there's so much. Take one only.
Is it yummy? Let me see. Yum.
It's sweet, Daddy.
Okay, punta tayo ng Dostik Plaza. Okay. Yung Yandex Go, napakadali gamitin. Tulog na si Ruby. Nagko-collect na rin kami ng Starbucks. Kaya nandito tayo sa Starbucks. Baka maig. Ito yung ano nila. So, kuha tayo nito.
Kazakhstan. Same lang naman lahat. Tulog na tulog. Got it?
Ba't tayo nag-crab? Nubo ka?
Starbucks natin. Ito, yung mug. Tapos itong drinks. Ang total niya is 10,800. So, yung mug, 8,500. Ito. Tapos yung ating, ito, 17 dirhams lang to. Kumuha kami ng Kazakhstan chocolates. Ayan, mga chocolates. Dito yan nabibili. Oh. Ano yan? Yun yung buong Dostik Plaza. Ikot natin. Yan, ikot na natin siya. And yun na yung last video natin dito sa Kazakhstan. Na-enjoy namin yung country. And I hope na makapasyal pa kami sa ibang mga bansa next time. Si Mami. Bye, babe! Bye!